Hey guys, Mr. T here, just doing a quick review, unboxing of the women's Air Jordan 1 High. I think it's called the Baroque Brown. Um, the last review was a bit rushed, and you might have remembered that I couldn't show another thing in the bag because I would have gotten in trouble because this wasn't meant to release when I got it. So my plug helped me out a little bit. So this is a women's release. So you need to size up. If you didn't know, for men, if you're buying a women's shoe, you go 1.5 sizes up. So it's not called a Baroque Brown. That's what the colloquial name for the colorway is. Oh no, yeah, it says Baroque Brown Sale. So let's have a look. You've got a nice tumbled leather here. This kind of looks it kind of looks black in the lighting, although I've got natural lighting here, but it's really dark, chocolatey brown. This leather here is quite nice, but then this stuff, the swoosh is kind of good too. The heel counter is quite supple, soft. This is supple, soft too. The toe box, that brown leather is really good. That's crazy. Like recent releases have been pretty bad, but this feels really nice to me. You've got the sail, sort of slightly off-white leather. It's most of the shoe, and then you've got the hits of this really dark chocolatey brown. This sole portion doesn't really match that color. It's slightly more yellow. And you've got the bottom there, that dark chocolatey brown again. Got the sail laces here, done all the way up. And then the tongue is sort of like a pink color, and then a more intense pink for the Nike Air branding at the top. Pink insole. I think these laces would be better black. We'll have to try that out later. Let's see what the other shoe looks like. I know this is supposed to, yeah, there they are. This is supposed to come with sort of unique hang tags, and there they are. They're actually soft toys. I'll probably give that to my little daughter. You have a little Jordan Jumpman, soft hang tag, and you have a little Nike Air soft hang tag. She'll probably put them in her mouth somewhere. And some of those little keychain crab claw things. I'm going to take that off because I'm going to have to spray this with the waterproofing. The quality on this is pretty good. I don't see many. There's a tiny little line of glue mark around, but it's like even. You don't have giant glue stains everywhere. The leather is nice. It gives. You've got the tumble texture here. These chocolate brown panels, yeah, they don't have as much tumbling, but they've got some give to it. It's nice. This is a really nice color combo. Why do the women get the better colors these days? Oh well. Some giant-footed woman's missing out on a size 11.5 thanks to me. Definitely have to try it with black laces, because I think if you did black laces, this pink tongue's going to pop out through it. Right now, there's a whole lot of just beigey white here, so there's not much contrast. If you had black with the laces in the gaps, you'd see the white or the pink popping through. We'll have to try that. You'll see it on feet when I'm at school. So that's just a quick unboxing and review of these. The Jordan 1 High Baroque Browns, women's release. Really good quality. Better than the better than the cave stone Jordan 4s that I got the other day. So hopefully you liked that video. See you in the next one.